Toolangi State Forest, in the heart of the Yarra Valley. Every time I come to this place is always carnage, today in the dirt bikes. Two friends riding along. We attempt airplane track and we turn around. We even found some snow. From riding sport street bikes, I had an 11-year break from the two wheels. Finally back at it, riding the forests of Victoria. And at the end, I'm also having a little accident with the drone. Sit back, relax and enjoy the video. We are in the Yarra Valley, another bike riding day. This time we're going to Toolangi. Toolangi State Forest is another of our local spot, just an hour from home. I think today will be very muddy because it rained fair a bit in the last couple of days. On the bike is different than going forward driving. When it comes down to dirt bike, you have to pick your tracks a bit more cautiously. Should be another awesome adventure. This is it, mate. Morning. Ah, you know, look like we're on the right spot.
Nice spot. Good today. Sun's out.
Sun's out. As usual, we unloaded the bikes, we got ready, and we tried to make some sort of a plan for the day, looking at the maps. Go easy. Alright, straight into probably the steepest track of the day, near where we parked our car in Marginal Road on the west side of Toolangi, just off a rocky track. We got stuck a couple of times in this straight steep section. But eventually we got up and we kept going. This is literally the definition of perception. When you're riding the bike, it feels like you're jumping 4 meters off the ground, and then when you look at the footage, luckily if you get a couple of inches off the ground. Yeah, that's what I meant. At this point we've only been riding for an hour and we already experienced all type of terrains, from muddy and slippery to dry and sunny. At least Shannon did better than me on this one. Don't forget to check out our crazy adventure with the 4-wheel drives here in Toolangi. I leave the link in the description. After exploring all of the west side area of Toolangi, we're heading towards south a little bit into this bushy track. It has been windy a few days earlier, so we found a few logs on the ground that we have to go over. It's crazy how wild the weather can be in a rainforest. An hour earlier we were sweating. As we ride up the mountain it started getting colder and colder, to the point that we even found some snow. I was looking the maps on new track and we decided to try to tackle airplane track, considering we were nearby, and as we ride deeper and deeper into the track, the bog holes are getting bigger and the track is getting wilder.
That's it. Go back. That's it.
I checked with a stick the bog hole on the left and it was half meter deep. No way we couldn't make it with the bikes. This was probably a good point to turn around, but I've decided to ride a little further to see if that was the only difficult part. But as I turned the corner, the first part confirmed that the track was gonna be like that all the way. So at that point we actually turned around. I keep comparing four-wheel driving with bike riding because this is so new to me. One thing I love about bike riding is that if one track gets too difficult, it's always easier to turn around. Eventually we got out of that gnarly ride, ready to enjoy some free ride and some sun in the open area.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
Here we're going straight up the hill to see a pretty cool view.
Wanna drink my wine.
We are nearly at the end of the riding day. What's better than this? The bikes, your mates, and the wild forest.
Too many dig themselves a grave and all these things come out to play. I wanna feel you're nothingness, I'm just a figment in your brain. I remember broski told me that nothing is the same. And now we on the road to righteousness through thunder or the rain. I've got numbers on my mind, work's peak, coming home to motherfuckers on my line. Never needed more hours, but I'm running out of time. Said I got bigger fish to fry. So as I breathe, feel the stress relief. See the best of me, never need a therapy. Just get them reading hella books and then defeat their enemies. This is the reason they are free.
Before the end of the video, you gotta watch this. I smashed the drone. Luckily, I got it repaired under warranty. And I snapped the brake lever. It can be going four-wheel driving, bike riding, or building something. I just love to share my adventures on YouTube. So if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next one.